Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp registration timeout error on your Android. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your WhatsApp registration timeout on your Android, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your mobile data is working properly or not. For that, you just need to go to the settings, click your mobile network, then you select your SIM, and you can check if you are in network coverage area of 5G or 4G. If there is no 5G network in your area, then you can select the 4G. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. And the second method is, if your WhatsApp is not up to date, then update your WhatsApp. Just open your Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, just check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you can try the third method. That is, you just need to tap on the settings. After tapping the settings, just scroll down, you will see your apps. Tap on the apps, then tap on see all apps. Tap on the search, then find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache. Tap on this. Once you have to tap on clear cache, then go back. Now check. After doing all this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp registration timeout error on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.